Hey, good morning, YouTube. Guess what today is? That's right. First day of the RTR, January 11th, 2018, for the 2018 RTR, and I am on the road. In the morning, full tank of gas, 23 bucks by the way. That'll take me 300 plus miles. I've only got 120 to go, just under 2 hours, and I'll be at the RTR in the mix, trying to stay away from the flu bug. Woo, doggies. I am excited. Been waiting for this for a long time, and not just the RTR, but the main reason is to go down there and just see some friends and some people that I've met on the internet but I haven't met in person. The hand's doing better, by the way, just in case you're curious. It's far from healed completely, of course. It's still sore, and the swelling has dropped in about half of what it was the other day when I showed you on my video. And as a matter of fact, I'm holding the camera right now with my limped up hand, so it's good enough to do that for a short period of time anyway. Beautiful, fantastically brilliant, bright, sunny day. The weather's supposed to be getting warmer. We had kind of a rainy, cold front go through a day or two ago, but that's passed, and as far as I can see out on the internet, the next week's supposed to be beautiful. So I'm excited for the RTR and to get out there and meet friends and do some camping and spend night in the van, spend some nights in the van, spend a night, spend some nights, spend a couple weeks. What the heck? If I'm having that much fun, I might as well go all out, right? Traffic's not too bad so far. I'm not quite to the 10. 10's usually kind of crazy, or at least from my experience anyway. But I wanted to let you guys know I'm on the road. I'm headed there, so hopefully all's well down there in Quartzsite, and I'm about to find out. So I'm going to get off here so I can drive and pay attention, and hopefully get there in one piece. We'll catch up with you shortly. Well, hello again. I'm just now coming into Quartzsite. Man, oh man. It looks busy. Anyway, I'm on Interstate 10, coming up on exit 19. I think that's the one I want. It's been a year. So we'll get up in there and see what happens. And I'll come back on and show you once I kind of find a place to get settled in. If I find a place to get settled in. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. It's getting busy, and here comes my turnoff. I just picked up my permit, and boy, there's a lot of people. They are real busy here. Let me I'll just show you in my review mirror the line of people waiting for the permits, and then I'll show you around this other side all the vehicles. Hopefully you guys will be able to see that. See in the mirror there, the line of people? That's just part of the line. The rest of the line is behind me. Vans over there, a whole pile of vans over there. Anyway, we got that part done, so now let's go see if we can find a place to park. Wow, look at this, guys. This right here on the right is the boomers. I don't know, baby boomer gathering or something. RTR is a bit farther up the road. It's times like this where it's nice to have a small rig that's like the size of a Ford Transit Connect, like a little car. get in and out of these tight spots through traffic without a whole lot of headache. Alright, this might be some RTR. I'm looking for the music sign. Trevor Marty and his wife are parked on Music Row, he told me. So we'll see if we can find that. He said there's a red sign that says music. So that's what I'm looking for right now. There they went, right there. So I don't know where I'm going, if they're headed to town or something there. We'll see what happens. Well, I haven't got to the main turnoff yet. Look at this. Somebody said there was already 1,200 permits for this location. That is a lot of people. Holy moly. Wow. Alright, here's my red sign for the music. That's where I'm getting off, guys. We'll pull up in here and see what's going on. That means we can have music at the campfire, apparently. Hopefully you can see that on the sign right there. Dust control, 5 miles per hour. Sure. Sure. Well, I'm here. And I just stopped to use the facilities. Look what they got, guys. 5 porta potties, sweet. And this, it's my guess, probably double the amount of people that were here last year from just what I'm seeing. There are just acres and acres of campers and vehicles. See ya.